Hello everyone, this is Mouli. You are watching Innovate CS with Mouli. In this video, I will discuss about our subject Computer Science. If you are new to this subject, then you might have some questions in your mind. Like, what is Computer Science? Why we will learn this subject? What is the study opportunities of this subject? What kind of job you will get after having degree with Computer Science? So don't worry, I will answer all of your questions. Let's start the video. Now we will discuss what is computer science. Computer science is a part of our daily life. For example, online shopping, form fill up, gaming, developing a software or application. All these things happens because of computer science. To give a formal definition, we can say that computer science is a study of computers and computational systems. A computer scientist mainly deals with software and software systems, including their theory, development, and their applications. There are so many topics in computer science like computer architecture, network, security, database system, operating system, machine learning, artificial intelligence, numerical analysis, programming language, data structure and algorithms, digital electronics, microprocessors, software engineering, theory of computation, etc. The main essential part of computer science is to know how to program. Computer scientists design and analyze algorithms to solve problems regarding hardware and software. If you have knack of problem solving, then programming is fun for you. Next we will discuss the study opportunities of the subject computer science. You can take this subject in your higher secondary. Then you have many options. You can do BSc, BCA or BTech as your undergraduate degree. Then for your post graduation, you can do MSc, MCA or MTech or anything. If you have knack in computer science and you want to know something more about this subject, then you can go for further higher studies, that is PhD. You can do PhD and become doctorate if your goal is to be a professor of a college or university or any research institute. You should have the passion to acquire knowledge about this subject in a specific area. Next we will discuss the job scopes, that is, what kind of job you can get after having degree with computer science. A degree in this discipline allows someone to have a variety of careers. According to the forecast, the employment of computer science and information technology is about to increase 13% between the year 2016 and 2026, which is faster than any other occupation. The most common path is to be a software developer, but there are many other paths open. A PhD degree is mainly necessary for research purpose, but many computer science careers is attainable after having bachelor's or master's degree. That are data scientist, web developer, system analyst, business analyst, product manager, network architect, software engineer, software developer, full stack developer, database administrator, information technology specialist, mobile application designer or developer, artificial intelligence and machine learning engineer, research and development scientists, computer scientists or computer science researcher, computer science professor and lecturer, school teachers, etc. If you want a simple government job, then you can also go for that. You can prepare for government job after having degree with computer science. Many government sector or banking sectors recruit for BTech or MTech engineers and also MSc or MCA passed out candidates. I hope that I could make you understand the main purpose of learning computer science. From my next video, I will discuss the topics of computer science. So this was all about today's video. Stay tuned to my channel to know more about computer science. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications of my videos. And also, if you found this video helpful, then please click the like button. Thank you for watching me. I will see you in my next video.